In the vast expanse of our universe, a mesmerizing dance unfolds. It's the dance of energy and matter. This cosmic ballet has been ongoing since the dawn of time, and it will continue long after we're gone. The performers in this grand spectacle are the fundamental building blocks of our reality. Energy and matter are not separate entities. They are two sides of the same cosmic coin. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, tells us this. It shows that energy and matter are interchangeable. This revelation changed our understanding of the universe forever. It opened doors to new realms of scientific exploration. The cycle of energy and matter is infinite. It has no beginning and no end. Picture a snake eating its own tail. That's the Ouroboros, an ancient symbol of cycles and renewal. It perfectly represents this cosmic process. Energy becomes matter, matter becomes energy, and the cycle continues. This dance is the heartbeat of the universe itself. Every star, planet, and living being is part of this cycle. Even we humans play a role in this cosmic performance. The atoms in our bodies were once part of stars. They'll one day become part of something else. This cycle connects us to the universe in a profound way. It reminds us that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of it. The transformation of energy into matter is a spectacular process. It happens in the hearts of stars. In these cosmic furnaces, immense pressure and heat fuse hydrogen atoms. This fusion releases enormous amounts of energy. Some of this energy transforms into heavier elements. It's like cosmic alchemy, turning energy into gold, quite literally. But the story doesn't end there. Matter can also become energy. This happens in various ways throughout the universe. Black holes also play a role. They can convert matter into energy through Hawking radiation. These processes ensure that the cosmic cycle continues unbroken. On Earth, we see smaller-scale examples of this transformation. Plants convert sunlight into matter through photosynthesis. Our bodies turn food into energy to fuel our activities. Nuclear power plants harness the energy locked in atomic nuclei. These everyday phenomena are echoes of the grand cosmic cycle. The beauty of this cycle lies in its perfect balance. Energy doesn't disappear, and matter isn't created from nothing. The total amount of energy and matter in the universe remains constant. This is the law of conservation of energy and matter. It's one of the fundamental principles governing our universe. Understanding this balance helps us appreciate the intricate design of the cosmos. The universe, in all its vastness, follows predictable patterns. These patterns emerge from the fundamental laws of physics. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces are expression of its behavior and shape cosmic events. They determine how galaxies form, stars live and die, and planets orbit. This predictability allows scientists to make accurate forecasts about celestial events. But the concept of predictability goes even deeper. Given enough time, all possible arrangements of matter and energy will occur. In fact, they have already occurred countless times. The universe is old enough to have cycled through every possible configuration. This means that, in a sense, history repeats itself on a cosmic scale. Imagine a deck of cards. There are only so many ways to arrange them. If you shuffle the deck enough times, you'll eventually repeat a sequence. The universe works in a similar way. Given enough time, it will repeat its configurations. This includes the arrangement of atoms that make up you, reading this essay right now. This predictability doesn't mean the universe is boring. Far from it. The sheer scale of cosmic events and the complexity of their interactions are awe-inspiring. It's like a grand symphony that never ends. Section 4. Free Will. Navigating the Predetermined Path. The idea of a predictable universe raises questions about free will. If everything is predetermined, do we really have choices? This is where awareness comes into play. Our consciousness allows us to observe and understand the patterns around us. This understanding gives us a form of control. Think of it like riding a wave. The wave's motion is determined by the ocean's currents, but a skilled surfer can choose how to ride that wave. Our choices may be influenced by the universe's patterns, but our awareness allows us to make decisions within those patterns. This is a form of free will. Our ability to predict outcomes gives us power. We can use our understanding of cause and effect to shape our environment. We can't change the laws of physics, but we can work within them to achieve our goals. This is how humanity has made scientific and technological progress. We've learned to harness the predictable patterns of the universe. Awareness also allows us to break harmful patterns. We can recognize destructive behaviors and choose to change them. We can learn from history and avoid repeating mistakes. In this way, our consciousness becomes a tool for navigation. It helps us steer through the predetermined currents of the universe. Section 5. Living in the moment, embracing cosmic determinism. The concept of a deterministic universe can be unsettling. It might seem to rob life of meaning or spontaneity, but there's another way to look at it. Knowing that each moment is unique can make us appreciate it more. Even if it's part of a larger pattern, this exact configuration will never happen again in quite the same way. Living in the moment becomes a powerful philosophy in this context. If everything is predetermined, worrying about the future is futile. Instead, we can focus on fully experiencing the present. This doesn't mean we shouldn't plan or work towards goals. It means finding balance between preparation and presence. This perspective can also foster a sense of connection. If we're all part of the same cosmic pattern, it breaks down barriers between us. Our actions affect the whole system, just as the system affects us. This interconnectedness can inspire compassion and a sense of responsibility towards others and our environment. Embracing cosmic determinism can also bring peace. It relieves us of the burden of trying to control everything. We can do our best within the patterns we're given, but we don't have to stress about changing the fundamental nature of the universe. This acceptance can lead to a more relaxed, mindful way of living. Section 6. The universe's grand design, a philosophical reflection. As we contemplate the infinite cycle of energy and matter, we're led to profound questions. What is our place in this grand cosmic design? Are we mere observers or active participants? The answer perhaps lies somewhere in between. We are both the audience and actors in the universe's ongoing performance. The predictability of the universe doesn't diminish its wonder. If anything, it enhances it. The fact that such complexity can arise from simple, fundamental laws is astounding. It's like a cosmic symphony, where a few basic notes combine to create intricate melodies. Our ability to understand and appreciate this complexity is a gift. The concept of free will within a deterministic universe is a paradox, but it's a beautiful one. It suggests that our choices matter, even if they're part of a larger pattern. Our awareness allows us to shape our experience of reality. We may not control the cosmic currents, but we can choose how we navigate them. In the end, the infinite cycle of energy and matter reminds us of our connection to the cosmos. We are made of star stuff, as Carl Sagan famously said. Our atoms have been part of this dance for billions of years. They will continue long after we're gone. In this way, we are immortal. We are the universe experiencing itself one moment at a time. And in that realization lies both humility and profound wonder.